Hey guys,
And welcome back to our channel,
Corey,
Desi.
and today we are reacting to
What?
this is IU 23 MV performance version.
Let's begin.
Here we go. Okay. Okay.
I think 23 years won't mind if somebody guesses their age 23. It's more for millennials. Millennials who look like 40.
Do I look like 40?
I'm talking about the whole generation. If you are taking upon that.
FUBITCH.
The spelling is wrong.
Okay. Really?
Pretend to be a fox that pretends to be a pig.
Just talking about poker faces, the people who say something and who are something different.
But I like that make money.
Check it out. 겁나는 게 없어요. 엉망으로 굴러도 사람들은 내게 매일 친절해.
That seems so like you. You're rude to people and still people like you.
Actually, till now, whatever she has said, I can relate to it. Every fucking line.
Make money.
Okay, guys, depends on you.
인사하는 저 여자 모퉁이를 들고도 아직 웃고 있을까 늘 불안해. 난 영원히 아이를
Yeah, true.
Copy paste.
정했어요. 난 죽은 듯이 살래요.
Copy paste.
맞춰봐.
Exactly. It's me. And she's the proof. It's me.
Way.
The song is made on me. I don't know.
The only difference, I don't think you want people to like you.
Yeah, exactly. I don't care whether people like me or not.
But you're still on top of people's heads.
I think
She saw you before she wrote this one.
When she dances, she's way too innocent, right? Like I have never seen IU perform. I have only seen her drama, the Tangerines one, When Life Give You Tangerines. So I have only seen her act. I have never seen her perform, and I know that people love her a lot.
Are you?
She has a different level of fan base.
Yes.
So this is the first time I'm seeing her doing her thing.
It was effortless.
Yes, and she's too innocent. Like she doesn't need to be sexy or anything or like that.
She's cute and beautiful.
Yeah.
Together.
Yeah, and the presence is
Yeah.
amazing.
The stage presence.
Like
is-
I could not get my eyes off her for a single moment. So she has a great stage presence, and I think I can understand why people like her.
she's cute,
Yeah.
but she was too white.
What do you mean she was too white? Every K-pop star is too white.
Too white.
That's what you have to say about her. No, nothing about the performance or anything.
She was great. She was great. But she was in the center of the stage, on the center of the stage, and she was too white.
I don't know how to process this compliment or comment
I think it's both.
because all K-pop idols are like that. But yeah,
She was too good with her dance as well. Like it was
all-
effortless.
actually, yes, I wanted to say it reminded me more of previous era of K-pop rather than the current era of K-pop. I think maybe that is why people love her more because she has still kept the old K-pop charm, I guess. I felt that specifically for this video, and I don't know what kind of songs. I have seen one song of her that was with, I think, V. It was a collaboration which came 2-3 years back. So that is the only other project which I have seen, musical project of hers I have seen.
But I like the song. She must have
Yes.
had you or an elder sister or an elder like sister like figure.
As an inspiration for this song.
Yeah, it's I think it's for the whole generation.
Even I could relate a lot with the song, except some parts like I want you to like me or something. Like I don't want people to like me.
But you're still on top of their head even if they don't.
Yeah. So
She must like
maybe it
this
was
is
a,
for millennials.
yes, this is what I was about to say, that maybe it is a millennial song or yeah.
Oh, she's getting happy inside about that. Because nowadays everybody is talking about Gen Zs.
Or what is that new one? Alpha?
Yeah, alphas are even worse than
Gen
us.
Alpha.
Every generation feels that the next generation like
I feel
Is-
so old now.
there's Gen Beta also. Like people born after
Moving on. Okay, so yeah, it was a great video to watch.
So last song we watched was more of Gen Zs. This was more
yes,
of millennials.
yes, it was. Yes,
People are capitalizing on the generation aspect a lot.
everything is nowadays.
Oh, you guys live in
Monetized.
nostalgia. You guys live in nostalgia.
Yeah. Okay.
Please, like, come out of
Maybe
your
this-
delulu. I know it's the salulu, but please do come out of that.
I hate those words. I really hate them.
She comes to me like an encyclopedia dictionary. What does that mean? So one day I was talking about TTYL, and she was like, "What is that?"
Talk to
See
you later.
Then we like TMR. So what is that?
I don't know.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, there are some more words which I don't know.
These are-
what is the short? Like there are abbreviations. I don't know what they mean.
Yeah, so it's like I don't chat with her in that way, but when I am with like-minded Gen Zs, I do. And one day she happened to see it, and she was like, "What are you guys talking about?"
Okay, we have drifted way far from the topic now. Okay, guys, I think we should wind up the video. See you in the next episode. Bye.